Remove the bellows from its holder inside the front door. Hold up to the first of the air plugs, squeeze the bellows several times, then move on to the second one and repeat the process. When you're finished, return the bellows to its holder. Be sure to recalibrate the sensors after cleaning. Recalibrating the sensors is a quick, simple, supervisor level remedy. Let me show you. Log in as supervisor. This procedure is covered in your user's guide. In the settings menu, tap the Diagnostics tab. Tap Inserter Photocells. Remove all documents and envelopes and close all covers before starting the calibration. Tap Calibrate Photocells. It gives you an on-screen prompt to verify all documents and envelopes are removed. Tap OK. Wait for the adjustment to finish. It should come up with a prompt which says all system photocells are correct. Tap OK. Exit the supervisor mode.